Last year, thousands of medical students from across the country faced challenges in overcoming stress and anxiety. Reasons? Difficult concepts, vast curriculum, missed classes, distractions, all leading to low scores. At JP Brothers and DigiNerve, we are committed to creating the next generation of top docs for the country. Thus, we connected with faculties, toppers and seniors to create the perfect formula of smart learning for you. Introducing Learning Mein No Shortcuts. A smart approach to medical learning. Step 1. Padho. Read from the books, treasure trove of information developed by experts in their fields. Step 2. Samjho. Go for DigiNerve video lectures, notes, self-assessment and more to clear concepts. Step 3. Apply Karo. Use the gained knowledge during postings and practical examination. Repeat the process to become the best in the field. Simple, effective, powerful. Go, be a top doc.